Here's a pair of the AirPod Max headphones. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is go to your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let me go to my settings on my iPhone here. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go to Bluetooth next, so Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, okay? And now, when we look under devices down here, see that little spinny thing? It's looking for devices that are in pairing mode near me, okay? So I found two more, but we need it to find the AirPods Max. So we have to put this in pairing mode, okay? So I got a button, the crown button here, and the other button here, okay? So what I want to do is press and hold this button until I get a white blinking light down here, okay? So button right here, ready, set, go, press and hold. I'm holding, still holding, wait till it starts blinking white, still holding. Okay, now it's blinking white, now it's in pairing mode. Now go back under here, make sure this thing is still spinning, it's still searching, and it found it, my AirPods Max right there, so I'll tap on that right there. And voila, it says we're connected, we're ready to go. Now, if you had issues parent connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.